Hello everyone. Indian stock market, the companies in it have shown a growth of 10 to 11% this quarter, because of which the companies valuations have been moderating. But the interesting part is the growth is missing in the Indian stock market. Yes, if we have got GDP growth of 3 to 4% and inflation of 4 to 5%, that sums up to 9%, and plus 2 3% extra, we get almost around 11-12% of growth, which I think Indian companies will be poised to grow. But the market is missing a strong rally. We have got valuations cheaper and the growth is missing. But if we get these two engines moving, which is growth and valuations, if you get valuations at a pretty reasonable rate and the growth is tremendous, then you are up for a strong rally, which I think Indian market is currently missing right now. So investors are willing to look out for those stocks or individual stocks which are showing good growth as per the Q4 financial year 25 results. And this market has been quite individual stock based rally rather than being a broad based rally. So as an investor, you have to be cautious. You have to stay on the edge of your own circle of competence, looking out for those companies which are earning strong growths. Because at the time of bull market, irrespective of whichever company poses or reports their results, it doesn't matter. In bull market, every stock rallies. But in bear market, companies like Gensol, that what we have seen, if you look at the balance sheet of Gensol, they had a good rally of their own stock. But if you look at the cash flow statement of Gensol, their net operating profit or the net operating cash flow was, pretty negative, or they didn't even earn any money from their own operating businesses. So cash flow is the king if you want to look at how the company is managing their own cash flows, inflows or outflows. So companies like Gensol in bear market will move the needle, and a lot of skeletons are there in the bear market, so it will emerge as in this bear markets, right? But in bull market, a company like Gensol, even these companies will go up for a rally. So investors have to be cautious and they have to understand this, that individual stocks reporting good growth, good numbers are up for a rally. And yes, those companies which doesn't come up with the good results are beaten down by the markets.